So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now right click and open the console incognito window. Now here you have to simply click on I understand and agree and continue. Now from here just click on it to activate the cloud shell. Click on continue. Click on authorize. Also check the playlist for other related resources and lab free courses and skill badges. So let's come to the GitHub repo, which is present in the description box of this video. You have to simply select it like this, paste over here, hit enter, wait for a few seconds. So finally it's done. Come back to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the video description how to enable check my progress bar. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.